iMovie is a registered trademark of Apple. I am in no way affiliated with Apple. Okay, in this clip we're going to start a new project. It's always a good idea before you begin importing video footage to create a new project. There's three ways you can do that. You can come up to here where it says File and choose New Project. You can also hit Command N, or right here in your project library at the bottom you can hit the plus button. This brings up this window here where you can name your project. We're going to name this project Elle's Wedding. And then it allows you to choose your aspect ratio. It defaults to 16:9, which is what the modern flat screen TV's aspect ratio is. It's rectangular. There's also standard, which is the typical square-shaped television. Now, if you're shooting DV video, this is going to be the aspect ratio of that footage. HDV, or any type of high-definition video, will have a widescreen aspect ratio. I recommend choosing the same aspect ratio that your video footage is in. So in this case, we're going to choose standard. And there's one other feature here. There's the iPhone aspect ratio, the 3:2 aspect ratio. And this is if you intend the final output of your movie, of your edited piece, to go to either an iPod or an iPhone. But we want to make a DVD out of this eventually, and we're going to choose standard. Now you can either hit create or hit the return button on your keyboard. Alright, you can see here in the project library we have Elle's Wedding, and we're ready to start importing some footage.